Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Y'all gotta check out the new piece, boys. Like you missed it. Yeah, I've been listening to this kid on Howard Stern since I was like 10 years old. Huge fan, Beetlejuice. Go find him on Instagram. Absolute gem. Sorry if it freaks you out, but I like it. Still don't know why we have this in here. We all know Bran doesn't like chairs. Boys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been feeling a little overworked lately. I literally put 10 hours a day into this business. So yeah, I took a night off last night and got absolutely obliterated with the boys. Wanted to take a weekend off, but hey man, this just came up, we gotta check it out. Side thought. I kinda like to sit sometimes. We're gonna bring this back. Boys, real quick, if you just want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. My brain's not working too well, to be honest. Hungover is a mother effort. If you want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. It really helps out the channel. All you guys know I want to do is entertain in life. It's my biggest passion. But thumbs up. How do you speak? By clicking that thumbs up button, commenting down below, it helps out so much with just sharing the channel. Really appreciate that. If you guys need a little incentive further, which hopefully you don't need it, but I know you guys work, of course you do. We got this right here, a free bust down diamond watch if we get 2,000 thumbs up within the day. That's all you need to do, boys. My Instagram's right here. Just thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know when you did that with the DMs. Do the DM thing on Instagram. I don't know why I wanted to take a day off. It just sounds like work, and then I turn on the camera, I start to enjoy it again. I love you guys, man. The editing is what sucks. And I gotta go to IKEA in a little bit, so the editing's not gonna be that great, probably, but who knows. Anyway, let's get into this. So, I'm fully aware we've been doing a lot of 6ix9ine type videos lately, but you guys gotta give me a little bit of a break on this one because I love filming 6ix9ine videos. The dude's an absolute character. You can think what you want about him. I got my own opinions about him. I don't think he's the sickest guy ever in terms of being maybe a good person. However, it's really fun to film these videos. Now, once again, 6ix9ine just got a new chain, boys, apparently. I woke up this morning, like I say, thinking that I was gonna take the day off, but you guys are insane on Instagram. You guys are always tagging me on stuff that I need to review. Boys, apparently 6ix9ine just got another new chain. We gotta check it out. We love chains on this channel. When rappers come out with new pieces, it's awesome. So that's what we're doing. We're checking it out. I haven't seen this at all yet. Like I say, I just went on my Instagram. I saw you guys were tagging me like a mother effer, and apparently, yeah, new chain. I could see it in the little thumbnail thing that you see when you're looking at what people tagged you on. I haven't actually checked it out though. So boys, without further ado, let's take a close look at 6ix9ine's new chain. I'm gonna give you my opinion on it, and you know, hopefully they then replicate it so I can buy it and then we can pick up girls with it or something like that. Or when I'm allowed back in places, or at least allowed to travel again, we can go and sell it to pawn shops. One thing on my head, I speak out loud, boys. I know this is a little bit of a half-assed video. I've already explained why. But realize that I'm putting out more videos a week. So there's gonna be some half-assed ones, but I enjoy these half-assed ones a little bit more. I think they're more casual. Hopefully you guys too, is what I'm saying. There's a little insecurity there. So I just needed to bring that out and hope that you guys feel the same way that I do about these videos. Where's the other piece of this goddamn thing? It's right here. You know, I just realized I never asked y'all. Y'all know the word? Well, the bird's the word, boys. Private browsing mode engaged. Because we don't want to see Bran's search history. What are we doing? Instagram. So, assume it's just one video. Because I saw we're not connected. This is great. Oh, awesome. So assume there's just one video that we're reacting to. Because when I looked at what you guys were tagging me on Instagram, and it comes up to 6ix9ine right away. As if that's what we do. Oh! Is that it? Is that it? Oh! Let's go. So it looks like, first straight off the bat, my reaction. New pendant, obviously. Water. I don't know what that, maybe new album. This is cool. It looks like somewhat of a water park or something. And let's hope to God he doesn't swear in this video, because it means we just gotta pretty much mute it right away. Let's go. First reaction, boys. I love when this happens. Okay. There's a lot of music that's gonna get me. Look at the, first off, let's just look at the babes, bro. What one do we like the most? I don't think that's politically correct nowadays, but she looking bad over there. She looking real bad. Alright. I might even have to blur all this. YouTube's just, YouTube's in a nutshell right now. Oh my god. Sorry, I can't. Let's focus on the pendant. Beautiful piece. I really, really like it. Now, my first thoughts on this piece is it's squirting. It's squirting water. No kidding. Of course it is. What's he saying? That might actually be the best chain in the game. Now we gotta dissect this a little bit. I can't be having those on the screen. God, it's nuts. All right, let's dissect this a little bit. Now with this chain, I think it's sick because I bet you spent a lot of money on it. but I bet not too much, because as you can see, there's not a lot of diamonds on it. Most of it's just that like plating or whatever you want to call that. I can't believe it's squirting out like a freaking waterfall. This is nuts. What a chain. Or what a pendant. Beautiful. What a, like, I love it. Now, I don't know if it's on all gold or what, but I mean, this is sick. It's a very cool piece. I think it's really cool now that people are starting to add colors to their pieces and stuff like that. And just like, it doesn't actually all have to be diamonds. This kid does it the best. I really swear to God on that. I think his pieces are legendary. Legendary. I wouldn't wear them, but I mean, if I had that kind of money, I guess I might. Beautiful. And I ain't talking about the piece of this clip. Let me tell you that, boys. What a sick piece. It's got to be a new song coming out. He's kind of like Lil Pump. You know, Lil Pump puts out DRUG Addict, and he gets like a pendant of it. And he also did that for Sked It and a bunch of things. 6ix9ine, he gets a new pendant for his bigger hits. Or if not, his album covers, or whatever it may be. So this might be something new coming out. Boys, let me know what you think about 6ix9ine down below. I think we can all lie. We love his boom bap, crazy rap type style to his songs. I don't necessarily dig the singing ones. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. I just don't like them. They're kind of lame. This piece though, bro. This might be my favorite piece in the game. I'm not even gonna front. And like I said, I don't need to respect 6ix9ine too much as a person, but I will say he's entertaining as all hell, and I do dig his music. And I'm just looking at this a little more. I'm stoked about this. Boys, the second they start to replicate this, hit me up, because we're buying it. And then once again, we're selling it to stores and making a lot of money, claiming that it's real. Just kidding. We don't actually do that. We can't be saying that. Cool, I think that's it, boys. What a beautiful piece. There's my reaction, little reaction video for today. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. Let me know what you guys think about this one down below. I'm strangely impressed. I think this thing's dope. I think it's so sick. Appreciate y'all. Wow. But I feel like I have to say more about it. I've already said enough. The girls are badder than the piece, to be honest, in a good way. That's what I mainly took from this video. The women. Very sick. Bye.